Papa's page here. Today we're cooking ranch beans for cast iron Wednesday. Our ingredients today are pinto beans, thick cut bacon, minced garlic, an onion, chicken broth, rotel diced tomatoes, chili powder, cumin, cayenne, oregano, paprika, and black pepper. I'm going to start today by sorting through the beans and taking out the bad ones and any dirt or anything else that's in with them. And then we'll wash them. Now I'm going to put the beans in the Dutch oven along with 2 cans of diced tomatoes and chicken broth. And I'm going to put it on low heat. I cut the bacon up in little squares. And then we fry it up. Okay, looks like we've cooked a lot of the grease out of the bacon, so we'll go ahead and put it in with the beans in the Dutch oven. Pour the grease in one of the cans. Put some water in the frying pan. And we put the onions in the frying pan. This will cook the onions and give them a little bit of the flavoring from the bacon. The onions look ready to dump in to the Dutch oven. So we'll dump them and the water and all in there. Move the Dutch oven to the bigger burner. Where we'll put a little bit more heat to it till we get it to simmer, and we'll start adding the spices. 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And we'll stir everything in. And then we'll bring it to a simmer and simmer it for about 3 hours, stirring it every few minutes. 3 hours later, and it looks like it's done. So let's boil some up and see what it tastes like. There's what it looks like. It's got good flavor, but it's a little bit spicy hot at the end. So next time I'll probably add a little bit less cayenne. So thank you for watching, and give us a big thumbs up.